I want to show you the basil that I used in the caprese sandwich. I do want to correct myself there because it is not Cipollino, it is Piccolino. But it grows, it's this neat little ball-like bush. You can see from the size of the tag, you know, this is probably a 5-inch tag. It doesn't start out very big. I'm not sure how tall it will get. I've never grown it before. It does say that it's compact and disease resistant, so I guess we'll find out. But, you know, excellent flavor, excellent scent, fragrance. You know, you can see back here, I've got the purple and the green and the Genovese there, so gives you a little bit of a reference to how this is. But really neat variety. I'm really looking forward to playing with it more this summer. If you find it, I would say grab it, grow it, see how it goes for you. I think it would be an excellent one to put in a container garden or in window boxes, any potted, you know, even potted on a table or something, because the ball-like structure just keeps it really neat. We'll see how nicely it keeps its form as it grows and keeps getting kind of, you know, picked and eaten. So, but again, I'm really looking forward to the convenience and the flavor of this basil variety, and we'll see how this goes.